How to turn on wireless charging on your iPhone XR.
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to turn on wireless charging on your iPhone XR. If you've been wondering how to take advantage of this convenient feature, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to enable wireless charging on your iPhone XR. Let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
Before we dive into the process, it's essential to ensure that your iPhone XR is compatible with wireless charging. The iPhone XR indeed supports wireless charging, but it's always good to verify. To confirm compatibility, check the back of your iPhone XR for the wireless charging symbol or look it up in the device specifications provided by Apple.
Gathering the required accessories.
To enable wireless charging on your iPhone XR, you'll need a few accessories. The primary accessory is a wireless charging pad or stand. These devices use electromagnetic induction to transmit power wirelessly to your iPhone. Make sure the wireless charging pad or stand you have supports the Qi wireless charging standard, which is the widely adopted industry standard.
Placing your iPhone XR on the charging pad.
Once you have a compatible wireless charging pad or stand, the next step is to place your iPhone XR correctly on it. Remove any protective case or cover from your iPhone XR as these may interfere with wireless charging. Align the center of your iPhone XR's back with the center of the charging pad or stand.
Verifying charging connection.
After placing your iPhone XR on the charging pad or stand, it's time to verify the charging connection. When correctly positioned, your iPhone XR should display a charging indicator on the screen, usually accompanied by a sound or vibration to confirm that it's charging wirelessly. Please note that charging wirelessly may be slower than using a traditional cable.
Troubleshooting.
If your iPhone XR is not charging wirelessly, here are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Make sure the wireless charging pad or stand is plugged into a power source. 2. Ensure that your iPhone XR is correctly aligned with the charging pad or stand. 3. Verify that your wireless charging pad or stand is functioning correctly by testing it with another compatible device. 4. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone XR and try again. 5. If none of these steps solve the problem, consult Apple support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to turn on wireless charging on your iPhone XR. Now you can enjoy the convenience of wirelessly charging your device. Remember to use a compatible wireless charging pad or stand, align your iPhone XR correctly, and verify the charging connection. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek support. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy wireless charging!